Good morning, respected principal, judges, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Master Priyanshu Rai. I study in 11th Science.
Myself, Master Ayush Nitin Khanwar from 11 Science.
Myself, Shalini Muthukumar from 11 Science.
Now I'll show you how this works. You can see here, see the circuit. The bulb glows, no wire. Okay. This is a Tesla coil. It was invented by Nikola Tesla in 1891. So when we turn on the circuit, an electromagnetic field is generated around the coil. So due to this, the fluorescence tube of CFL bulb starts glowing. So this bulb glows. So this is an example of wireless energy also. It is also called as a Slayer exciter. In this circuit, we have a small 9 volt DC supply, which is converted into high AC current. The use of transistor is to open and close the circuit automatically. You see, this works. When you take the bulb away, it will not glow. And once you take it close, it will glow.
Hello to all my viewers, I am Dishwant Siddharpur from Standard 11 Science, and right beside me is the model of an escalator. Well, we all know what an escalator is. Escalator is the moving of stairs which takes people from one level of the building to the another level of the building. Well, escalators were initially called the revolving stairs, which was actually introduced in the year 1859, and after some years the first real working model of an escalator was introduced in the world by the scientists Jess W. Reno and Charles C. Berger in the year 1896. Well, escalator is basically made up of a series of steps where each steps contains some ridges, and over the ridges you'll find the rubbers. Well, those rubbers helps in passengers to get the grip on the escalators, and at the edge of each and every steps you will find the yellow color painted on it. Well, the only reason behind it is to encourage the passengers not to stand too close to the edge of the steps of the escalator. Well, the mechanism used to make the escalator is placed inside the truss, which is located over here, and the bottom part and the top part of the escalator is called the comb plates. Well, basically there are two types of escalator in the world, one which goes up and the second which goes down. You must have come across a lot of forms of escalators like parallel escalator, spiral parallel escalator, multiple parallel escalator, and etc. escalators. And there are some people who just really don't know how to stand on the escalator, and they stand anyhow they want, and they fall on their faces or on their back, and they just injure themselves. Well, the real or proper technique to stand on the escalator is to stand at the center of the step and with keeping their feet away from these sides, especially when you're wearing sandals or Crocs. So that is a technique which can just keep you from falling from the escalators. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Alicia Balsara.
And I'm Mehak Kohli.
We are from class 11th Science.
The topic that we have chosen for our working model is Li-Fi.
Imagine a world where every light source can connect you to internet. Sounds like a world of science fiction, but the technology can actually exist. It is called Li-Fi.
Li-Fi stands for light fidelity. In other words, it's a light-based Wi-Fi which uses light instead of radio waves to transmit information. Let us now see how does it actually work.
Here with the help of mobile, we will input the data into the battery. Through battery, when a constant current is applied to the LED light, tiny particles of energy called photons are released, which we see as visible light.
This is then detected by the solar panel that converts it back to electric current. And this is how we can hear the sound of the speaker. As you can see, when we obstruct the ray of light, the music stops. This is how Li-Fi uses LED to transmit data.
Li-Fi comes with a lot of benefits.
Radio waves used in Wi-Fi are harmful for humans. Since we use light in Li-Fi, it is much safer.
Li-Fi has unmatchable speed compared to conventional Wi-Fi.
Li-Fi holds the potential to be more energy efficient and cheaper.
With Li-Fi, every light on the earth can connect you to your internet.